Hi, I am Fred from therequirementsengineer.com. In this video, I show you how to export a diagram to PDF in Draw.io. You will learn the exact export workflow, and you will learn the most important PDF settings so you can get a clean and professional result. If you like practical tutorials about modeling and requirements engineering, please subscribe and hit the bell so you do not miss the next videos. What is Draw.io? Draw.io, also known as diagrams.net, is a free diagramming tool that I use for flowcharts, process diagrams, mind maps, and system visuals. It is easy to start with. However, it still gives me useful export options for professional work. One of the most practical formats is PDF. Why export as PDF? PDF is a strong choice when I want to share a diagram in a format that is easy to open, easy to print, and easy to send to other people. For example, I can send a process diagram to colleagues, stakeholders, or clients without asking them to open Draw.io first. So let me show you the exact workflow. Step 1. I open my diagram in Draw.io. Here, I already have a sample diagram ready. You can use any diagram you want. Step 2. In the menu, I click File, move to Export As, then I click PDF. Now I see the PDF export dialog. This is where I can control how the exported PDF should look. Thus, in step 3, I configure the PDF settings. Here are the options. Selection only exports only the part of the diagram that I selected. This is useful when I do not want to export the full diagram. Page view exports the diagram based on the page view. So this helps when I want the PDF to match the page layout. Crop removes empty space around the diagram. I use this when I want a tighter and cleaner result. Fit scales the export to a defined number of sheets across and down. This is helpful when I want better control for printing. Border width adds space around the exported diagram, so I can create a cleaner margin. Zoom changes the export zoom level. If I want more detail, I increase the zoom. Grid includes the grid in the PDF. Usually, I keep this off for a cleaner final document. Shadows includes shadow effects in the export. This depends on the look I want. Transparent background removes a solid background. That can be useful depending on the target use case. Include a copy of my diagram embeds a copy of the original diagram in the PDF. This can be very useful if I want to keep extra flexibility later. And now step 4. After I configure the options, I click Export. Now the Save dialog opens. I enter a file name Then I choose the location where I want to save the PDF. Here I am already in the target folder. And finally, I click Save. Now we can view the results in a PDF viewer. That's it. Here are 3 quick tips. If you want less empty space, use crop. If you want better print control, use fit. And if you want a sharper result, increase zoom. So this is how I export a diagram to PDF in Draw.io. Open the diagram, click File, click Export As, choose PDF. Adjust the export settings, click Export, choose file name and location, and save the PDF. That is how to export a diagram to PDF in Draw.io. It is simple, fast, and very flexible. If this video helped, please like it and subscribe for more Draw.io tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you next time.